This is the inside view of the operation theatre. Please comment and tell me, do you ever seen it before? And like and subscribe to my channel. And those who subscribe my channel, I want to say thank you to them. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Operation theatre is an independent structure built inside the hospital. In operation theatre, panels are made of steel and glass because it cleans easily, and coat of antimicrobial paint has been sprayed on the inner side so that dirt can be easily cleaned. In operation theatre, air ducts are arranged plus ACs are also here. Adequate space is there to simplify the operation process and the rest of the space for the equipments. In the operation theatre, separate room for the scrub area, that is we called as washing area. Another room of the equipments. During surgery, equipment articles are needed. This provides a sterile, safe and efficient environment in surgery. That is why you can see a hygienic environment here. This is not every time you will see a hygienic environment here, because after surgery, a lot of mess is there. The blood stain, the blood spillage is there. So, after every surgery, everything's become messy. So, every time cleaning is done here. Walls, ceilings and floor constructed of non-porous material that can be cleaned easily. Plus disinfection is also done. There are a lot of germs and bacteria are present here. So, in operation theatre, disinfection every time is done, and walls are also coated with antimicrobial paint to prevent the growth of bacteria and other microorganisms. Plus, the flooring is not slippery here. Flooring should be easily cleaned and easily dried as possible. In operation theatre, the positive pressure of the air inside is here to prevent the entry of the contaminated air. This air is filtered with a high efficiency particulated air, that is we called as HEPA filters, to remove the bacteria, virus, and every staff have to maintain a strict protocol to maintain sterile environment here. Even floor cleaning staff also have to do this. Now, in operation theatre, there are many rooms available because many surgeries take place in one time. So, first is a general operation theatre. In general operation theatre, general surgeries take place. Second is a specialized operation theatre. Here specialized surgeries are done like heart surgery, ortho surgery, neurosurgery. These surgeries take lot of time like 14 to 16 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours. It depends upon surgery, how many hours it will take. Like transplant, heart transplant, it takes more time. Staff are also needed in more amount. Plus equipments are also needed in more amount. That is why the specialized OT are big in size. Third is the emergency operation theatre. In emergency operation theatre, emergency surgeries take place. Fourth is the outpatient operation theatre. In outpatient operation theatre, for operating minor surgeries, do not require patient to stay overnight in the hospital. For that, outpatient operation theatre are available. I hope you understand the information, and thank you for subscribing my channel, who have subscribed my channel. Thank you so much. Your subscribe make appreciate to me to make more videos like this. So thank you so much for subscribing my channel. You people motivate me to make such kind of videos for you. So please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get a daily update on this channel. Thank you.